We are Roadster Shop. We build the best chassis and turnkey vehicles in the industry. And we're hitting the road all down the East Coast, making a few stops along the way. Welcome to the Road Tour.
That was a fucking blast. Yeah.
Much worse headache today with the wine, bourbon, moonshine.
I never drink. I mean, I had like 6 White Claws, man.
I know.
For me, that's like a night out.
I'll be about over to Roush, check out their race shop, then hit the road and head to Edelbrock. They're gonna give us a tour of them building some carburetors up in Sanford, North Carolina. Yeah. That was a
gun show.
You know, welcome to the South.
Let's get after it.
So we're heading over to Roush now, just to check out their facility. This is the quintessential pickup truck. If you were to like draw a pickup truck, even a kid, it looks like this. You know, it's a square body, they call it, and it looks tough. You know, there's modern gauges in it and everything, but like we have all these bitchin' renderings and like designs to totally update the interior. Everybody that drives it, they're like, oh dude, fuck yeah, I want that thing like exactly like it is. Like, yeah, but dude, we're like doing the seats are gonna be super bitchin' and the dash is gonna be all leather wrapped and there'll be a touchscreen. No, you know, the Indian blanket on the seat. There is something nice, like something to be said that you just throw your shit in it and not have to worry about like scratching your fancy leather seat. I mean, that's ultimately what this is. That was the idea. Get rid of all the bullshit, basically. Everybody that knows it's available wants one. We've got like 3 of them on order now. I think they'll sell. I think we got a winner.
The amount of testing that they do is incredible. Roll into a booth that scans the whole car and tells you you're 0.003 of an inch out of spec when you go into the chassis shop. Some of the materials are just insane. The amount of testing that goes into the parts is what's really impressive.
Just absolutely mind-blowing, like the technology and precision. Neat to see an actual physical chassis sitting there, and they're NASCAR chassis, so obviously it's top of the line stuff, but to think that it's essentially an entire sport based on cheating. It's funny, you know, NASCAR is like basically it's come a long way, but ultimately it started as kind of like a hillbilly sport, but there's some smart fucking hillbillies now, man. I mean, Jesus. It's good, right?
So we're glad you guys are here. It's always a pleasure for us to host a group like yourself. I mean, we make all the carburetors for Edelbrock here. You'll get to see how we manufacture the products that we make here and the quality that we put into our products so that when it goes into a car like you have out here in our lot, you know you're gonna get that performance that you're looking for.
Everything's gone so digital. We were expecting it to be all CNC machines and just pumping out parts. And they're pumping out parts, but it's a 50 and 60-year-old machines that are specialized tooling and stuff. We've been to a lot of factory tours, and sometimes it's the same old, but the parts they've been building for this many years still with this old technology. Pretty amazing to see.
Traction now.
So the Legend truck, it was kind of born out of the softness and overly techy new pickup trucks that are out there today. Me and my brother Phil drive new Chevy trucks, and there's just something like disconnected about driving it. Everything is so automatic.
Now they have trailering assist where you turn a knob to back up the truck up with a trailer.
That one's probably, that's where we drew the line in the sand. That was like, you need to turn on a button to back up a trailer in your pickup truck. That's it. Like, we're building a man's truck. It's almost like the trifecta. A lot of our customers are looking for a muscle car. They want to go fast, and they also love old trucks. So you take all that and you group it into one, and you've got this truck right here. The most standout feature of the truck is not only does it have all modern GM suspension that's adapted to a Roadster Shop specific chassis, it's powered by a LT4 crate engine. That's the same motor comes in a ZR1 Corvette, 650 horsepower, and behind it's an 8-speed heavy-duty transmission and a 2500 HD transfer case. So So you could dust any muscle car that you see on the street, but it's as civilized as you want it to be to cruise around.
You know, an original lifted square body pickup truck, if you ever drove one, it's hairy as hell to go down the road. This is something that has all that look, but you can get in it and drive it cross country like we're doing here and have no concerns.
If you want to jump off the road and get into something like this, turn the dial and boom, you're in four-wheel drive. You don't have to stop, you don't have to get out of the truck. On the fly into four-wheel drive, on the fly out of four-wheel drive.
It's all OEM stuff that's built to go hundreds of thousands of miles. New Silverado radiator with electric PWM fans. Those are controlled by demand through the GM computer.
Everything underneath this truck, all brand new General Motors. Service at a General Motors dealer, take it to your Chevy dealer to get brake job done, anything like that. It's the driving that just puts a smile on your face because it gives you a sensation that you're just not supposed to have. A square body Chevy pickup truck from the 70s isn't supposed to do what it does. You know, driving this thing down windy roads, it's almost got like a sports car-like handling characteristic.
We spend so much time designing everything and engineering everything and making it all into one package, and then we use it on one car, and then we're kind of done with it and we're moving on to the next one. With this, we felt there's just such a huge market for the square body trucks to develop a complete package that we can reproduce, and customers can really just pick out a few key items like they would a new truck, but we have a bulletproof package that's ready to go for them. Got the old school looks, the old school style, the heart and soul, but all the modern drivability, performance, reliability that our customers want nowadays.
That's what you see, that's the legend truck. It's what the Roadster Shop's all about. This is kind of the sum of where we're at as a company from an engineering, quality, performance, and function standpoint. If you're gonna go buy a new Raptor, forget the Raptor and buy a legend truck. That's the concept here, and it does it. It realistically does. It's fucking American. I mean, dude, look at it. It's awesome. What else can you say?
Just getting up to some shenanigans with a couple of fast cars, doing some dumb shit on a back road in the middle of Florida.
If there's one car that we built that I would absolutely want to own, it would be the Chevelle right here, the ultimate muscle car.